So guys, let's do the next part, which will be attach this two to this two. Okay, so as you can see, this is the lower part and this is the right side. I'm gonna leave it just like this, and I have my other two like the wrong side facing upwards or facing towards me. So I have all the right side facing inside or inwards, and then I'm gonna arrange them just like this and have the two openings facing each other. That's the easier way to do it. Attach each two together and then attach like each part to the other part. That will be easy. So I have two bars now, not four, so it's kind of easier for you. You can attach the whole thing all around, but this is like not confusing. Okay, so as you can see, I have my everything ready. So what I need to do now, I'm gonna leave this upper part open just like this one, and I'm gonna seam these two sides from down here all the way up. Okay, so I'm gonna choose this side first, or this side first, because I'm gonna work from right to left as I'm right-handed. So I'm gonna do this side first, but before doing this, I'm gonna count my 18 stitches with my marker and make sure they are like in place before I start working. Okay, so I have this one. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9, and add my marker. And again, here I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. They have my marker. So they are ready. This is the part I'm gonna leave open, and then I'm gonna go all the way down to this part here, and I'm gonna start. This one doesn't have any tail because we have only one tail on each square. So yeah, we'll have only this tail to hide, not three. So I'm gonna go again to the space with a corner here, okay, and grab my yarn and do the same thing. Okay, make a knot, make a slip stitch, or make a chain with the tail, and then leave the tail, and then repeat the whole process again. So having my back loop here and back loop to the first stitch I have here. Here we go, and go through all that and repeat the same process, working on the back loop only all the way to the marker. Okay, so I finished the third part. As you can see, I'm gonna zoom out a bit. So okay, so I seamed this part here. It's seamed and connected. So I have 1, 2, 3 seaming. So as you can see, become one big part all together. Okay, so now it's time to seam the last one, which will be this one here. So it will be like a rounded kind of a top. Okay, closed from all sizes or sides Okay, here we go. Let me, yeah, I took that wrong one. Okay, so here we go. Let me arrange it. Okay, so I have 1 and 2. So last one, I'm gonna leave this open with all that. I'm gonna seam all the way from down up. So let's do it.